Hi, I'm Jenny, virtual presenter of the Innova Plus channel. Innova Plus News, Biotechnology and Technological Innovation is on the air, bringing publications available on the internet between January 20th and 21st, 2024. But, before you start, be sure to subscribe to our channel, here on YouTube. It's fast and free. Oh, you're already subscribed, so, thank you so much for your support. Enjoy and press the notification bell to stay on top of the channel's news, and also like and share the videos you like on your social networks. Help us reach the 1,000 subscriber mark. Let's go to today's posts. First block, Biotechnology. News number 1, Folha de Londrina, January 20th, 2024, Biotechnology will cause revolutions in the coming decades. Biotechnology is one of humanity's main allies in reducing the toxic gases we inhale. COP28 was held at the end of 2023 in Dubai, with scientific evidence that is increasingly distant from the goals stipulated in the Paris Agreement, 2015. Biotech such as Deep Branch, Lanzatech, Neoplants, Origin Air and UEarth develop innovative solutions that involve recycling carbon using microbes, converting CO2 from industrial emissions into high-value products. Some biotechs apply genetically modified houseplants to clean the air we breathe indoors by metabolizing airborne toxins. The biotechnology and AI duo will deliver answers and solutions about every part of the human body. Regenerative agriculture is growing by leaps and bounds as an alternative to reduce the use of chemical inputs at all stages of the production process. The biorevolution is one that will break previously unimaginable barriers, with the ability to achieve scale at competitive costs, ensuring quality in biotechnological solutions that not only solve problems, but also face the challenges arising from population and economic growth on a planet that faces significant limitations in its natural resources. News number 2, Versa, January 21st, 2024. Now, there is an ink that turns tattoos on and off. A new tattoo-like ink, Magic Ink, developed by tattoo artist Keith McCurdy and scientist Carson Burns, allows tattoos to be redone and hidden using ultraviolet light. Until the late 1990s, tattooing was considered illegal in cities like New York, but today it is a common practice adopted by millions of people. In recent years, the industry has evolved, with tattoos that can be glued, removed, and reattached becoming the latest trend. Magic Ink, the first resurfaced tattoo ink, disappears when exposed to ultraviolet light. McCurdy, who has tattooed celebrities such as Rihanna, Justin Bieber and Selena Gomez, aims to redefine what a tattoo is. In 2018, McCurdy met Carson Burns, a professor at the Atlas Institute at the University of Colorado Boulder, who developed a tattoo ink reflecting the sun. In 2023, HYPRSKN, a biotechnology company specializing in tattoo-like smart inks, was founded. The new Magic Ink contains a photochromic particle that becomes visible or invisible when exposed to UV light. News number 3, www.jornaldenegocios.pt, January 21st, 2024, USA, Biotechnology and Science have business opportunities for Portugal, says Tony Cabral. Senator and national businessman Tony Cabral believes there are opportunities for Portuguese companies in various U.S. sectors, including science and biotechnology. For him, Portugal should give more proof of this, especially in the life sciences and biotechnology sectors. Cabral suggests that Massachusetts, particularly Boston, Cambridge, and near MIT and Harvard, is the center of this economic activity. Another sector in which Portuguese companies could invest in the U.S. is offshore oil and gas companies, which Cabral believes could provide more evidence. He expects EDP Renewables to apply for the offshore oil and gas project in New Bedford, which has been unsuccessful in building a project due to high prices and a lack of raw materials. The new tender for the installation of more than 400 turbines in New Bedford will be open until January 31st and will be more economically attractive, requiring billions of dollars for each project. News number 4, T2ID, January 21st, 2024, new memory card uses DNA to store its data. Biomemory's card costs $1,100 to store 1 kilobyte of data. Biomemory, a French startup, is the first to market with a DNA storage card for a fee of €1,000. The card can store a single kilobyte of DNA for €1,100. Biomemory expects each of its 1 kilobyte DNA cards to last at least 150 years, which is far beyond the lifespan of anyone claiming to have storage issues. The company also plans to launch a future DNA storage configuration called Biomemory Prime in 2026, capable of storing 100 petabytes for use in data centers. Biomemory's DNA storage technology isn't the first time we've seen it. In 2019, Microsoft and the University of Washington took a step forward in DNA storage. In 2023, Chinese scientists have developed a programmable and functional DNA computer. DNA encode technology, which allows users to scan text into a text box and encode it with DNA, is still not legal. However, the DNA encode system does not meet the requirements of a binary or base for storage system, as converting hello to normal binary also produces a result of 40 characters. In conclusion, Biomemory's DNA storage technology appears to be a promising alternative to other data center solutions. News number 5, Avos do Algarve, January 21, 2024, stem cells with therapeutic effects on melanoma. A study by Bebavita, a stem cell bank, in collaboration with the Center for Research in Translational Health and the Faculty of Medicine of the University of Porto, concluded that the release of stem cell factors in melanoma cells leads to a decrease in overall cell survival. The study found that when treated with stem cell-derived stem cells, melanoma cells increased cell adhesion and reduced the viability, proliferation, and migration of melanoma malignant cells. However, the study also highlighted the need for more research and clinical trials to establish safety, efficacy, and therapeutic protocols for the treatment of melanoma with stem cells. Melanoma, characterized by an aggressive and metastatic nature, is currently limited in treatment options, highlighting the need for new therapeutic strategies. The research is extensive and intensive, with promising results that guide the search for new therapeutic approaches. The study is still ongoing, with preliminary results already shared by the scientific community. Second block, Technological Innovation. News number 6, technologia.ig.com.br, January 21, 2024, the transformative impact of generative AI on the business world. The transformative impact of generative AI on the business world is a tool that promotes greater efficiency among employees and optimizes business operations. Generative AI can elevate the quality of human work, allowing employees to focus on more strategic and creative tasks, while routine operations are optimized by artificial intelligence. The scope of generative AI is not only limited to internal employment processes, but also to supply chain management and recruitment. The challenge is to ensure a smooth transition, where artificial intelligence complements human skills and drives the need for workers to update and acquire new skills. Successful integration between generative AI and the human workforce depends on a balanced approach. News number 7, Poder 360, January 21, 2024, medical students identify substance capable of treating wrinkles. A study carried out at the Butantan Institute aimed to identify substances capable of initiating and activating the action of hyaluronidase, the enzyme responsible for degrading hydroxyl acid in the body. The researchers identified active beta-glucosidase inhibitors with the potential to treat skin rashes and cartilage lesions. The study also showed potential for the treatment of bruising. The project, entitled Use of Hyaluronidase as a Screening Tool for the Identification of Peptides with Biotechnological Potential from Hydrolyzed Collagen, was part of the scholarship program funded by CNPq and the Butantan Foundation. The aim of the study was to prevent the extravasation of blood that causes skin wounds. The research was supervised by scientist Fernanda Portaro, from the Butantan Institute, and by Bruno Duzzi, professor of medicine at Universidade Nova de Julho. The project won first place at the 5th meeting of Students of Scientific Initiative and Technological Innovation of Butantan University. News number 8, Ulher Digital, January 21, 2024, what we can learn from China's digital revolution. China's rise as a technological powerhouse in recent decades, driven by digitalization, offers valuable insights for Brazil in terms of technological innovation, fraud prevention, and business growth. The rapid adoption of technologies and the creation of a large ecosystem of business cooperation based on data consumption have redefined the sharing economy experience. Companies in China not only offer products but also services tailored to customers' needs, strengthening collaboration and providing customized products and services. The Chinese government has played a crucial role in providing access to technological resources, guiding daily life through smartphones. The market has also adapted to digital capabilities, with companies prioritizing user experience and investing in digital transformation. Brazil lacks a consolidated super app that offers a wide range of integrated services, with the market more fragmented. The focus should be on resolving user issues and customer experience. China, with its digitized society, has been a successful example in combating fraud and promoting technological innovation. Brazil needs to adapt this model to its context, overcome cultural barriers, reduce friction and promote cooperation between companies. The difference in user experience between China and Brazil can be attributed to cultural, social, and technological factors. News number 9, Folha de Londrina, January 21, 2024, AINTEC surpasses the mark of 1 million Brazilian reals in cooperation agreements. AINTEC, the Technological Innovation Agency of the University of Londrina, UEL, surpassed the mark of 1 million Brazilian reals in technical scientific cooperation agreements in 2023, with a total of 7 agreements signed. The most notable deals were in pharmaceuticals and food, as well as biotechnology and agroecology. The most significant sectors were pharmaceuticals and food, with a focus on the development of technologies for agriculture. The most active sector was the economy. The director of AINTEC, Edson Antonio Miura, intends to continue highlighting the work of the university and promoting its future. The university has also formed 9 partnerships, including a collaboration with Symbios and Labem.